Hello Leonardtown Raiders, this is Mr. Coombs. I am the assistant principal for 10th grade students and my office is here in what we call the fishbowl, or office F29. And today I'm going to be talking to you about our procedures we have in place for breakfast and for lunch. So this is the cafeteria. A few of the expectations that we have when you're in the cafeteria are that you must remain with your mask on and you must remain about 6 feet apart from all other students. The only exception is, of course, if you're actively eating a meal. All students will report to the cafeteria when they're eating breakfast each morning. As soon as they are finished eating their breakfast, they are then expected to move along to their first period class. For lunch, 9th and 10th grade students are expected to report to the cafeteria to obtain their lunch. 9th grade students would remain in the cafeteria to eat their lunch. 10th grade students are expected to eat their lunch upstairs in the Media Center and the adjoining rooms next to the Media Center, 2D06 and 2D04. 11th and 12th grade students will obtain their lunch at the kiosk over by Mr. Copsey's office. After getting their lunch, they would then report to the aux gym, PE hallway, or music hallway to eat their lunch. When we are in the cafeteria, I want to explain some traffic flow procedures. Once inside the cafeteria, to obtain your lunch, you're going to enter the back corner of the cafeteria and you're going to proceed to the nearest line. If there is a line forming, you're going to stay against the wall and we will have signs marking 6 feet apart. Once you enter the lunch line or the cafeteria line for breakfast or obtaining your lunch, entering this door, you would then exit the door to this side. Once again, 9th grade students during lunch would then remain in here to eat. 10th grade students would go upstairs to the Media Center. During breakfast, all students are expected to eat in the cafeteria. Once again, you would wear a mask when you're in the cafeteria unless you're actively eating your meal and seated in an assigned spot.